Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 3x squared plus k at the point where x is equal to p. If the tangent passes through 4, 0, express k in terms of p. So we've got y is equal to 3x squared plus k. Now to find the equation of the tangent, we need to find the gradient function. So the gradient function of 3x squared plus k will be, if you differentiate that, dy by dx is 6, 2 times 3, x, reduce the power by 1 to give 6x. And if you differentiate a constant, i.e. k is a number, then you just get nothing. At the point where x is p, dy by dx will be, we just substitute p into here, we get 6p. We also need to know the y coordinate. The y coordinate will be 3p squared plus k at x is equal to p. Right, now to find the equation of the tangent, you either use y is equal to mx plus c, but I prefer to use y minus y1 is equal to the gradient of the tangent times x minus x1. So that gives me, so labelling up, this is going to be the gradient of the tangent, this is going to be x1, and this is going to be y1. So we do y minus y1, so y minus in brackets 3p squared plus k is equal to the gradient 6p times x minus x1, which is going to be x minus p. Right, we now need to simplify that a bit. So removing this bracket here, we're going to get y minus 3p, and a minus times a plus will make minus k, and then we're going to have 6px minus 6p squared. Right, simplifying that, so we're going to have that y is equal to 6px, and then a minus 6p squared plus 3p squared gives me minus 3p squared, and then we've got a plus k on the end there. Now we know this tangent passes through the point 4, 0, so at 4, 0, x is 4, y is 0, so we're going to have that 0 is equal to 6p times 4 minus 3p squared plus k. 6 fours give me 24, so that's 24p minus 3p squared plus k. And then if we want to find k in terms of p, so we need to make k the subject, so therefore k will be equal to 3p squared, changing the sign of that one and the sign of that one, minus 24p. Now there's a common factor of 3p, so we'll take that out and we're going to get p minus 8. So the final answer, k in terms of p, will be 3p bracket p minus 8. So this has been a video to show you find the equation of the tangent, and then using some information express one constant in terms of another constant. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.